honor of International Mending Day, we thought we'd show you how to sew on a button. So you're gonna need some thread, a needle, a pair of scissors, a replacement button, and if you have it, a matchstick. So where you find a button, there's normally a spare one inside your garment on the side seam near where the wash care labels are. Normally there'll be one there, otherwise you can just buy a replacement. Or if you're from LUNAR, speak to us and we'll happily help you out. Okay, step one is take your needle, cut a piece of thread. I've gone with the contrast color thread just so it's easy for you to see, but obviously match the thread to the color of your garment. Cut a piece, not too long, I'd say about 30 centimeters. And then the trick is to thread your needle. This can be a little tricky. Okay, so pop your needle through the hole and then pull it till the thread is double, and then tie a knot in the end of the thread. So I tie just like a double, pull both pieces through like that and tie a knot. Then cut the excess off close to the knot here. Okay, step one done. Now we're going to place the needle, place the button on the garment. The easiest way to do this is to do up the other buttons and then this is where I'm missing my button. To line everything up, pop your needle through the buttonhole and just make a small in and out on the under fabric. Pull it through. There we go. Okay, so now that you've got where your button is going to be marked, you can open it up just so it's easier to see what you're doing. Okay, so we started with one just in and out. I'm going to do another just to make it nice and strong. So maybe do 2 or 3 to start. Just in and out on the same spot. Okay, now the trick with the matchstick comes in. You don't want the button to lie too flat against the fabric because then you've got no leverage, no movement in the button. So what you can do is put a matchstick and then have the button on, just so that's not flat. Okay, then we go through the buttonhole, through the other one, and then just in and out on the same spot you had before. To make sure that you don't pull it too flat, just have the matchstick under so that it's tight, but with the matchstick under. Okay. So now we've got that nice, the positioning good, we can just secure it. So go in and out the holes, and then in the fabric keep the same spot where you went in and out. Do that a few times, I would say 4 times. 4 or 5. Just through the buttonhole, in and out through the fabric in the same position. Pull it nice and tight so everything sits flat and clean. once you've done that, say 4 or 5 times, another trick to secure it is to twist the fabric around the bottom here a couple of times, just so it's nice and strong. And then we're gonna secure it. So just go in and out, somewhere near the edge of the button, and then go over it again with the same spot. I would do that two or 3 times, and then we can cut the needle loose. And with these pieces that are left, I'll just tie a knot. Make sure it's extra secure. Maybe tie a double knot to be safe. And then you can cut the edges off the thread near where the knot is. Done. So then check the position and we're good to go. Buttons are often something that come off on garments, so knowing how to mend and replace your button is a really useful skill in extending the lifespan of your clothes.